exploring the city today. This is gonna be part one. See if I can make like a series of me just exploring the city. No idea where I'm going. I'm just not gonna put no GPS. I'm just gonna go. See where I end up. Let's see where we go. See if we find the hood. Or if we find a good local area. You never know. Let's see what happens. I got the speed bumps over here now. I've been around here. Let's see if I go find something interesting. If I find something interesting, then you guys will see it. If I don't, then you won't. That's how we're gonna play this video. That's how we're gonna play this video. Let's see what I could find, what I could get into without a GPS. Find like a big empty lot. See a big empty lot. As of now, I have no idea where I'm going. Still recording, right? Yep. Good angle. Microphone still connected. Gotta check all of that stuff now. Be missing so much footage, it's so annoying. No, my bike be popping out of control, bro. I know you guys hear that. You guys can't hear that. That might be popping out of control. Oh, watch out, buddy. Important building, government building. It's like the White House. Take a right down here. Pop a little wheelie right there for him. I'm gonna keep going straight. Take a left. Going up a hill. beach. What am I watching here? What am I missing? Let's go right. Going to the city. I don't know where I'm going. On the other side. Well, I might as well talk about this little topic while I'm riding. My cousin got into a stupid accident. The one I always ride with. The ones you guys seen in one of my recent videos. Got into a little accident, ended up breaking his back. I'll see if I put like a picture up of how the bike looked afterwards, like a crash picture, so you guys can see a little. I'll put it on the screen now, maybe 2 or 3. Yeah, that shit was scary, man. To be honest, ever since when that happened, the group took like a break from riding. Nobody really rode. Everybody just been chilling. Nobody's really motivated to go out and ride. That shit kind of traumatized everybody. That's why you guys now see me just out here riding by myself mostly now. I don't really, cause my group really been taking a break for real. This riding stuff ever since that happened. It scared some of us straight. I also don't really ride that fast no more either. Especially since I'm by myself. If you're by yourself, riding is a little different. It's really not the same as riding in a group. I feel like you're more influenced. You're more influenced when you ride in a group to go fast, because everybody's gonna want to go fast. Or if they go fast, you're gonna end up going fast because you're following. But when you're alone, you really ride on your own pace. It's like today's video. Like I'm not even like, I have no destination. I'm just talking to you guys just to talk. Like now, like I'm talking about the accident. I'll make this a little like 10-minute, 15-minute video of me just riding. There's really not much to say about the accident other than he broke his back and he injured, so he can't ride. Both of those guys just did something illegal, by the way. He just took a left turn on a red light. But yeah, there's really not much to talk about other than he crashed, broke his back, he's injured. He's getting better now. Hopefully he can still walk. That's the one good thing, that it wasn't that bad. He got some surgery on a disc in his back. And then we get on the highway here. In his back, so he's good. He should be good. 6 months maybe. He's already walking and everything, so that's not bad. That's not bad at all. He says he's gonna buy another bike. In other words, he didn't learn from that. He hasn't learned yet. Yeah, I've been riding alone recently because ever since that happened, nobody really wanted to be outside like that. I need to start hitting these Facebook pages or something and see what people are meeting up at. I'm about to drive by cycle gears just to drive by cycle gears. To be honest. But the thing that pisses me off is that when I'm on my car, and I'm on the highway like I am right now, 5, 6, 7 bikers will blow by me right now. They go nothing. Pew, 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 pew. But now that I'm on my bike and I would follow them, they're nowhere to be found. That's like the most annoying thing. When you have nobody to ride with, and then you're hoping that happens, and then it doesn't happen. The camera's hitting right now, just for the simple fact that this is like, I have the settings best set up for this type of like setting. The sun is beaming and it's really, really bright outside. I have the perfect it's in the comments below if you want to know what it is. But this is literally like the best combination, I honestly think, personally. Even though I've been seeing these new cameras, man, these new cameras got really, really good quality too. Not bad at all. Let me see. I probably got a better camera. I was editing his footage. The problem was that his audio came back messed up, so I couldn't use my footage or his footage. And then I was recording too. My footage was okay. The problem with my footage was that my GoPro mount fell off my helmet. So the way the video looked on my end was like all